the French Senate has adopted at first reading a bill promoting the construction of new nuclear reactors. This included amendments such as the removal of the target of reducing the nuclear share of electricity production to 50% by 2035. The nuclear share will now be maintained at more than 50% of electricity production by 2050. The senators also revised a decree which provided for the closure of 12 operating reactors, in addition to 2 units at the Fessenheim nuclear plant. The original bill specified that construction of new installations should be at or near existing sites for a period limited to 15 years. The Senate increased this to 27 years. Energy Minister Agnes Pannier-Runacher said the new provisions will avoid adding a period of 2 to 3 years to the construction of a reactor. In addition, the text includes small modular reactors in possible reactor types to be constructed. For electricity of nuclear origin, the decarbonization objective relates to the construction of European pressurized reactors and small modular reactors by 2050, it says. Nuclear currently accounts for almost 75% of France's power production, but former President François Hollande's government announced in 2014 that this would be capped at the current level of 63.2 gigawatts and would be limited to 50% of total output by 2025. However, Macron's draft energy and climate bill presented in 2019 delayed the reduction in the nuclear share from 2025 to 2035. Now, this target is terminated. In February last year, re-elected for a second term French President Emmanuel Macron announced that the time was right for a nuclear renaissance in France, saying the operation of all existing reactors should be extended without compromising safety and unveiling a proposed program for 6 new EPR2 reactors, with an option for a further 8 EPR2 reactors to follow. I talked a little more about the nuclear energy of France and Macron's plans for its revival in one of my past videos. You can watch it from the link on the screen. The next 2 EPRs are expected to be located in Penly site, followed by 2 others in Gravelines, according to company EDF's plans.